teacher Kat,
And I am your teacher, Imelika.
and welcome to our science class.
Once again, good holy and good morning everyone. How was your day? Is it good? Now you may now take your seats for the checking of our attendance for today. So, who are absent in group number 1? None. Group number 2? None. Group number 3? None. And lastly, group number 4? None. Very good, since all of you have perfect attendance for today. Before we start our lesson for today, I have 4 rules in this class. First is to listen carefully, follow directions, and raise your hands if you want to answer. Second, work quietly and be prepared. Third, treat your teachers and classmates with respect. And lastly, number 4, is to keep the classroom neat and tidy. Understand, class? Activity time, so I have here a jumbled words, and all you have to do is to rearrange those letters to form the words. So the first person who will get the correct answer will be given a prize. So, what do you think are the words that you have formed? Any answers? So based on the activity, what do you think is our lesson for today? Yes, Cassie? Very good. So today, we will be learning about plants, their parts, and the functions of each. So before we start, let us now read the objectives of our lesson for today.
So now, I have here a picture of a plant. So let us now identify and describe its function and the importance of this. So in plant, there are 6 parts. So the first one is the flower. What was the function of a flower? So the function of a flower, so it is produce seeds. And the second one, the leaf. So what is the function of a leaf? So leaf uses sunlight and chlorophyll to convert CO2 and water to sugar. And the third one is the stem. So what is the function of the stem? So stems support leaves to transport water and nutrients. So the fourth one, the fruit. So what is the function of the fruit? Fruit protects the seeds and helps with seed dispersal. And the fifth one, the roots. So what is the function of a roots? So roots support plant and takes in water and nutrients. And the last one, the seed. So what is the function of a seed? Seed produces a new plant. Are there any questions? Okay, since there are no more questions, let us have a recap. So what was our lesson is all about? Yes, Nika. Very good. Our lesson is all about plants. So what are the 6 parts of a plant? Yes, Michael. Very good. The 6 parts of a plant is first the flower, and the second the leaf, and the third one is the stem, and the fourth one the fruit. So and the fifth one the roots, and the last one the seed. So what is the function of a flower? Yes, Nika. Very good. The function of a flower produces a seed and so on. So, are there any questions? Okay, since there are no more questions, let us have a activity. So, I will divide you into 6 groups. Every group has a 5 members. So now, we will go to the garden and observe each plants that we will see. I will give you enough time to observe and talk about parts of a plant and its function. So after your observation, we will go back to the classroom and answer the given question. Each group will share in fun and explain or discuss on what they have observed. So now, you may start your activity. Okay class, time's up. We will go back to the classroom. So, based on your observations, answer the following questions and write your answers in the materials provided. So, first question. Describe the plant that you have observed. Does it have its roots, leaves, stem, and flower? What does it smell, good or bad? And the second one, where do its roots located? So, and the third one, what have you observed in its leaf? What does it look like? So, what does it feel like? Can you identify what shade it is? And the fourth one, what are the needs of plants in order to live? And the last one, what is the importance of plants to us humans? Each group will discuss here in front on what you have observed on the plant. Okay, very good. You all did great on your activity. So, give yourself a round of applause. What are the needs of plants to live? Plants, like all living organisms, have a basic needs, a source of nutrition like food, water, and space in which to live, and optimal temperature in order to grow and reproduce. So now let's proceed to the importance of plants to us humans. So what is the importance of plants to us humans? So plants are really important for the planet and for all living things. Plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen from their leaves, which humans and other animals need to breathe. Living things need plants to live. They eat them and live with them. Plants help to clean water too. For your assignment, on the internet, research the 4 main types of a plant and give a brief description of each. Did you get class? Very good. So I think that's all for today.